A quadratic equation is an equation that can be written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. The quadratic formula tells us that ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. That happens when x, the solution is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. I feel sure that most of you have seen this before, and you may have memorized it with a song. If you look up on YouTube, the quadratic formula, Pop Goes the Weasel, there's a song that will tell you how to memorize this. There's also a song, Jingle Bells, the quadratic formula to Jingle Bells, but I prefer Pop Goes the Weasel. So feel free to look that up. I think you will appreciate it that I'm not going to sing it to you. So let's see how we can apply this. We want to solve using the quadratic formula. You need to memorize the quadratic formula. We might perhaps have 0, 1, or 2 solutions. We first want to write the equation in standard form. The a, the b, and the c, the ax squared, the bx, and the c must be on the left, or must be on one side, and 0 must be on the other. That's standard form. You must have equals 0. Identify the values of a, b, and c. Substitute those values into the quadratic formula and solve. So let's solve these problems using the quadratic formula. It's already in standard form. It already has equals 0. A is whatever number is multiplied times x squared. That's 1. B is whatever number is multiplied times x. That's negative 2. C is whatever number is written there by itself. That's minus 8. So let's substitute those values into the quadratic formula. X equals, we first begin with negative b. Negative, negative 2. Plus or minus the square root